Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your login password on your Mac. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, look at the left-hand side menu. Scroll down until you find Users and Groups, and click on it. Okay, now you should see a list of all the user accounts on your Mac. In my case, I only have one admin account. To change the password for your account, click the information icon, the little I on the right side of your account name. You'll see a few options pop up. We're interested in changing the password, so click on the Change button next to the password option. Alright, now you need to type in your old password at the top. Then, enter your new password in the field below. Make sure it's something you can remember, but also something secure. Next, you'll need to verify your new password by typing it in again in the designated field. You'll also see an option to type in a hint. This hint will be displayed on the lock screen if you forget your password. I'm just going to type in hint as an example, but make yours more helpful. Once you're ready, click on the Change Password button. After a few seconds, the system will update, and your password will be successfully changed for that user account on your Mac. Click OK to close the window. You can now exit out of System Settings. The next time you log into your Mac with that account, you'll need to use the new password you just created. And that is how you change your login password on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.